Good morning, year 8. Today I want to explain the first part of refraction, not reflection, refraction, between the water and air. Page 120 and 121. I want to explain only the first part. First of all, look at the picture. I want to ask you a question. Is this pencil really bent? Why does it look bent? It's not really bent, but why it look like that? So, I want to explain why it looked like that. This is because of refraction. How? I'm going to explain. But first of all, when light travels from one substance medium, into another, such as from the air into the water, this bending called refraction of light. So, when any light comes out from water into air or from air into water, the light will change the direction. The light will change the direction. How? I will tell you. So, this phenomena is called refraction. When the light changes the direction, when it passes from one medium into another, this phenomena called refraction, not reflection, refraction. So, it's when light passes from one medium into another medium. Note that if light passes from medium into another, it will change its direction. Is it clear? So keep in mind, when light comes out from one medium into another medium, for example, from air into water or from water into air, this light will change its direction. Okay? Now, why we see the pencil, it look like it's bent. Let's see why. First of all, the pencil, this is the pencil, right? A part of it we see it clear, but a part of it we see it's not at the same place. Okay, now why? This is why, because your brain assumes that the light travels in a straight line, so you see the part of the pencil in different place. Why? I will explain it, don't worry. First of all, the light reflected from the pencil from the water, from medium water, it the light from the pencil goes from the pencil, hit the air from one medium into another. When hits the air, it will change the direction. So look, all of you look to this direction of the ray and to that direction of the ray. They are different. Why? Because the direction of light change when it passes from one medium into another. Okay, so this direction, these two rays change the direction, but our brain assumes that the light travels in a straight line. So when this ray, we assume that it travels as a straight line, we can continue this ray till these two rays meet each other at another place, a different place. Okay, so when these two rays meet each other at this place, of course the place will change. The place of the pencil will change. So we see that the pencil, part of it is clear. The second part is is at a different place. Why? Because of the refraction of light. I want to re-explain. When the light come out from the water, the light reflected by the pencil, of course, come out from the water, it will change the direction. When it will change the direction, we see the two rays coming to our eyes. If we see the two rays coming to our eyes, our brain assumes that the light travels in a straight line. So it will continue this rays till it meets in a different place. This is the first idea. Now the second idea, if we have a stone down in a water, okay, also the light travels from the stone till it reach the air, it will change the direction. When it changed the direction, also our brain assumes that the light travels in a straight line. So we continue this straight line till it meets at this position, different position. So you see the stone at different place. So we have a real depth and an apparent depth. What the meaning of an apparent depth? This is it's not a real, it's an apparent. It's only an image. Okay, so you will see the apparent depth like not it's not deeper than the real depth. Okay, so I will re-explain. So the light will comes from the stone. It will change the direction. Why? Because it passes from one medium into another medium. Our brains will continue these two rays as a straight line. It will assume that the light travel in a straight line, so you will see the stone in a different place. Okay, now please, this diagram is super important. It's like the mirror, but it's not a mirror. We have two medium. First of all, we have air and water, two different medium. We have boundary. The boundary is the line separating the two medium. Okay, now this is the ray of the light. This is the incident ray. What we call this ray? We called it the incident ray. And the line is perpendicular to the boundary is the normal line. It's like the mirror. The normal always perpendicular to the surface. But what is the difference? That the light of the incident ray, it will not reflect, it will refract. What the meaning of it will refract? It will pass through the medium, but it will pass, but it will change the direction. It will not continue at the same direction. It will change the direction. How it will change the direction? Please concentrate with me. This first of all, this light, this ray called refracted ray. This ray called incident ray. The angle between the refracted ray, the incident ray, and the normal is called incident angle. The angle between the refracted ray and the normal is called refracted angle. Okay? Now, we all know that air is less dense than water, right? Keep it in mind. From less dense medium to more dense medium, whatever is the medium. Like, as an example, from air to water, the direction of the ray will move toward the normal. What the meaning of that? That means the direction of the ray will continue, but it will deviate. What the meaning of deviate? Change the direction toward the normal. So it's not far away from the normal. It will come closer to the normal. Okay, so the incident ray will hit the boundary. It will change the direction toward the normal. So the angle of refraction is less than the angle of incident. Is it clear? I will re-explain. This is the incident ray. It will hit the boundary. The ray will change its direction, but how? If from less dense to more dense, it will become closer to the normal. It will come toward the normal. But if from more dense to less dense, I'm with you. It will go far away from the normal. But if from less to more, it will come closer to the normal. Okay, is it clear? Any questions? Now after this video I want to explain the part 2.